Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a horizontal legend in Tableau using a separate sheet in a dashboard. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Tableau, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a horizontal legend in Tableau using a separate sheet within a dashboard can help in customizing the layout and making the dashboard more visually appealing. Now, I don't have any legend yet right now on this file that I'm working with, but the first thing that I'm going to do is to hide the measure names here later. All right, but first thing is, since I don't want to create a legend from scratch, what I'm going to do is create something out of this data that I've already worked with. So first thing is, I'm going to make a copy of this one or duplicate. There we go. So basically this is going to be the duplicate. Now first thing is, I don't want the sum sales here, so I'm just going to put it around maybe here, and I'm going to I'm gonna change the color. This one for maybe around like a blue one, and then I'm going to change the mark as not automatic. It's gonna be square for legends. All right, so this one. Then I'm gonna hide the measure names. This one, and I'm going to hide tile as well. All right, this one I don't need this as well. Now once I'm happy with the legend that I have created, essentially this is like the foundation of how you can create a legend, horizontal legend in the Tableau. Now I want you to go to your dashboard. Now basically it's empty, right? What I'm going to do is to rename the duplicate earlier. Go to this one. I'm gonna rename this as the legend. Click on OK. I'm going to the dashboard, and I'm going to drag the file here. Right click and add to dashboard. So basically this is going to be the sheet that I've worked with. Now, the last part is just right click on the legend and add to dashboard. Basically, that's how you create a horizontal legend here on Tableau. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.